Hey guys, what's going on, Luis?
Guevara.
My beautiful bride, my wife. Hey, let me tell you something, guys. I got great news for you guys. We were able to accomplish something that
A dream.
a dream, something that we never thought it was gonna be able to happen. We've been working into this for 11 months, and I've been looking at this property for almost 2 years since it's down route to my other shop. And I say, and I know, and I heard it, that this was gonna be mine. Not when, not knowing when, but it's happening today. So today we have our keys, and I wanna show you guys how's the inside. It's gonna take a lot of remodeling, but the future is gonna be bright. Let's go.